Welcome back to Vision Auto Garage. In today's episode, I'm fitting a near side boot corner, repairing the near side lower quarter, and preparing to fit a new rear valance. First job of the day is to remove the lower rear quarter repair, so out comes the cutting disc, only to remind myself to work safe. Working at shoulder height isn't, so work stops to reposition the shell. Now able to control the grinder, the lower quarter panel is rough cut out. Using the replacement panel as a guide, I mark out the final cut line. Using a 1mm cutting disc should give a very nice gap for a clean butt weld. Before progressing any further, I need to fit the new rear valance. I'm using an early heritage panel, which includes part of the curved profile under the lights. This, combined with the lower quarter, should make it easier to remove all traces of rubber bumper. The new valance is clamped in place and carefully marked out. After a moment's reflection on what I was about to do, the valance was cut. The 1500 Valance is spot welded to the rear chassis legs, which support the heavy rubber bumper and give additional crash protection. Rather than drill out the spot welds, I thought it easier to cut through the flanges. The chassis legs were trimmed back flush and a paper template produced for an end cap, which was transferred to steel and welded onto each leg. Fitting the new Valance needed more hands than I possess, so help was enlisted and the Valance was tacked in place. The old boot lid was positioned to check fit. Well, I'm really pleased with today's progress. Putting this new rear Valance on should save a lot of time re-establishing the curves under the rear lights. Unfortunately, the near side boot corner and the near side lower arch aren't quite fitting as they should. The rear Valance and the boot corner are both heritage panels, but the lower rear quarter was a pattern part and it's not really fitting as I want it to. I'm going to order a heritage panel for this lower rear quarter and hope that I haven't already cut away too much metal to make it work. So that's all I can do for today, but thank you and welcome to all the new subscribers. If you like the series so far, please don't forget to like and share, and also check out Facebook and Instagram for all the latest project updates. Thanks for watching.